Welcome to the channel. You're watching an overview of the updates to the Smart DOM module. We'll leave a link to the basic overview in the suggestion card, and in this follow-up, we'll focus on the new features. To open Smart DOM, let's use a new feature. Using the corresponding button in the main menu, you can immediately select a template from the drop-down list. It contains module settings that are either pre-installed within the platform or created and saved by you earlier. Quick access saves time by reducing the number of clicks needed to open the desired Smart DOM template, compared to the standard way where you have to go to the module settings. Select the Templates tab and only then call up the template. The new column with clusters is a simplified version of the footprint, which is built directly into the Smart DOM module. The column allows you to select different time frames, display modes, color schemes, and reference information. This mini footprint lets you keep track of the context without having to open a separate chart, providing users with more functionality, flexibility, and convenience. The new rolling footprint column is a unique tool that displays information about completed trades over a specified period of time, starting from the current moment. In other words, the rolling footprint eliminates the feature where, at the start of every new minute, the information would be collected from scratch. Instead, the column always contains only the most recent and up-to-date values, while outdated ones are automatically and seamlessly removed from the calculation. Rolling footprint offers various options for visualization and scaling customization. It adds smoothness, helps avoid inconvenience and interruptions in analysis at the start of a new time interval, and will surely be especially useful for scalpers. The order flow column, which visualizes the stream of just executed trades, has also been improved. Now, there is a price grid in this area to assist you in more easily navigating the levels, and the Smart DOM user can simply collapse and expand the order flow window using the footprint window and vice versa. This is not just a simple increase in interface flexibility, but a highly demanded feature. It saves screen space and allows you to keep several Smart DOMs open for different instruments. This is standard practice for cryptocurrency scalpers. When you need to take a closer look at the footprint history or, on the contrary, focus on the order flow tape, this can be conveniently done in just 2 clicks. A new setting is now available in the depth change column. Let us remind you, depth changes is a column that displays the changes occurring at the various levels within the order book. Now, there is a new mode setting here, where you can select individually pulling when orders are withdrawn, staking when orders are added, or pulling and staking, which displays the combined total. This information can be useful for scalpers. For example, if the price approaches an important level in the order book and the column shows that traders are withdrawing limit orders from that level, such behavior increases the chances that the level will be broken. To make it easier to compare aggressive breakout attempts in the form of market trades and efforts to defend a level through changes in staking, a Changes Trades mode has been added to the visual mode parameter, where these 2 efforts, expressed in numbers, are displayed side by side in a convenient format for comparison. By the way, the buy/sell pop-up tooltips that assist you in remembering the mouse button functions can actually be turned off. To do this, simply uncheck the Show Tooltip option in the general settings. The new scaling features will be especially beneficial. For those who trade a variety of instruments such as cryptocurrencies, to scale the display of level data in the Smart DOM module faster and more easily, use 2 methods. Method 1. Hold down the Control key and slowly scroll the mouse wheel. In this way, you can zoom in or zoom out by the step value that is set in the general settings under Scaling Step. By default, this value is set to 1. Method 2. The plus and minus hotkeys. You can reassign them in the hotkeys window, and by pressing them, you can instantly increase or decrease the data scale in the Smart DOM window by a factor of 10. This concludes the second part about the latest updates to the Smart DOM module. But that doesn't mean the module won't continue to develop. Stay tuned for updates to the ATAS platform. Suggest improvements for the functionality on our forum with the developers. Leave your questions in the comments below the video and give us a like. Thank you for watching.